Kuzangpo, hello, namaste and tashtale to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Travel and Food Journey with Kisang. And friends, this blog is second part of Astoria Park, and I just wanted to do a different video because the first one was getting too long, and you know what, I don't think anybody enjoys watching such a long video, so I decided to make it into 2 episodes. And so friends, so this is the second episode. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching, everyone.
Astoria Park is super accessible from the subway, from Times Square like I have up here, but even Herald Square or Union Square. All you have to do is take the NRW trains, Queens-bound, to Astoria Boulevard, and then you take a nice quick walk from the station to the park and past some of the other recreational areas. So this park is 60 acres, so like pretty big, and it has so many things to do, like swimming pool, tennis courts, track, exercise machines for free, a skate park. It really has something for everyone. There's also a lot of parking if you want to drive, but like I said, the subway is just an easy way to get there, and it's nice to take a little walk. I really love how we walk under the Triborough and the Hellgate Bridge in this park. It's just a really cool feature that a lot of other parks don't have.
And friends, you see that beautiful bridge ahead of that is known as Hellgate Bridge, and this is mainly used for trains to cross across the river. See, generally summertime they have a, they set up concerts, so I don't know after the COVID if they still do it or not, but usually they do set up group of people up there. So usually they have like some kind of fair, street food where they set up all across here. So it's just beautiful, and you see Manhattan from here. I mean, you could see Manhattan like way from starting point of the park also, but from here I think nighttime this will be a really nice place to do a walking tour during nighttime. This bridge is actually mainly used for trains to cross the river. Hello. See, that's a very nice eagle. It says freedom, Hellgate, liberty for all. Statue of Liberty.
The Hellgate Bridge. This is the notable steel arch bridge with the bad paint job. It's also the same bridge that the Amtrak travels across when headed to Boston. Completed in 1917, the Hellgate Bridge is a train-only bridge with 2 tracks currently being used by Amtrak and 1 track for freight. This faded red and somewhat pink and brown bridge can be found stretching itself across the top portion of the East River. The entire bridge complex consists of 3 individual bridges that take trains from Astoria, Queens to Randall's Island and into the South Bronx. However, most New Yorkers will consider the Hellgate Bridge only as this one, the one spanning across the East River. The name might sound a bit grim, but don't worry, you won't be going through the gates of hell when you go across. It got its name due to its location above the Hellgate Channel, a part of the East River that was known to have deadly currents in the past. It may seem like a very unassuming bridge, but some very famous bridges were copied after the Hellgate Bridge. They include the Tyne Bridge in England, as well as the Sydney Harbour Bridge in Australia. If you want to get an up-close and scenic view of this classic bridge, you can visit Astoria Park or Randall's Island, where you get to walk right under it.
The park actually ends there. So I'm going to return back, right, because I want to show you more of the park. So that's the end of the park right over there, that street, and this is how it looks. And I know I have walked way all the way because it's really beautiful walk. You can just walk, keep walking it till that you know, there's a long walk, and then I know there are some restaurants at that end, which is very beautiful restaurants, quite expensive restaurants. So but I'm going to go back and walk at the park. Just look up, friends, how nice it looks. See, underneath the bridge. This is a really nice. I hope you guys are enjoying the walk also with me at Astoria Park. I am having a wonderful time, and please do leave a comment where you're watching from, friends, if you liked my video, and thumbs up, share, like and subscribe. Oh, look at that squirrel. Hello. Hi. Hi, come here. I think there are a lot of group of people. I think they had a class or something. They're just picking up, but it's very quiet. Come here on the benches. You can bring a lunch, some packed lunch. Group of people, they're all packing up, so they must have a class or something here. Usually in this kind of park there are free yoga classes, group classes, children's classes. You know, there are a lot of free classes that you can attend, especially during summertime. And there's another group of people over there that looks like more official group of people, because I can see they have a professional cameraman over there. See, and everyone is like dressed really well. Oh, they all have mics. So this is the board of, you know, where I am right now. And usually say this park is actually pretty huge. And this is the map of the park, what they have. They have pool, they have ball court, cherry bits, playground, basketball courts, state park, fitness equipment. You know, there are a lot of things that you can do here at this park. So this is the map. And friends, do you remember the starting of the video that the same dog and the dog owner actually was right next to me, and this is where I see them right now, right next to the swimming pool, and just show it to you from here how actually it looks. Okay, so this is the entrance where you go to the swimming pool, and they have lockers where you can lock up your things. So pretty huge swimming pool. See, it's empty right now. Look, and those are for like small kids, where they have like spray water, you know, where kids can enjoy. And these are for kids, also like adults at the end, which is the deeper part. So it's really interesting to come here like when it's really hot. And if you see this big building right here, friends, this building has like really beautiful loft apartment condominiums. This one, I've looked at it, few of them, and it's really nice. So it's like a loft apartment, this building right here. Saw that beautiful dog over there. We just saw it when I was starting at the park, and it's still here, right here. Hi. I'm going to end my vlog here for Astoria Titmus Park. This is end of the park also. So I hope you liked my video. Please share. Lots of love, happiness and peace to you all. Thank you for watching. So to get to this park from the train station, which is F train, F train stop at 21 Street, you can take a bus Q69 or Q100 to get to this Astoria Titmus Park.